One of the things that you are going to want to do a lot is put links in your emails. Obviously, that gives your recipient a way to interact with you and interact with Infusionsoft. And we've got some fairly powerful functionality here in this mild-mannered looking link. So in order to create a link within Email Builder, you are going to highlight whatever it is that you want to link. And then from over here in the Format tab, you are going to click Link. Now, in the first drop down, there is a fair number of options here of things that you can link to, but because this course is all about the 80-20, that being the 20% of functionality that gets you 80% of the result, we're going to just focus on web address because that's what you're going to use the vast majority of the time. And you're going to just put your URL. So this is a URL of our blog post about how goals work in Campaign Builder. We'll put that in there. And then in this second drop down is where we get the additional functionality. It says if link is clicked, then. And if I hit this drop down, again, there are a number of choices, but really the one that you're going to use all the time is this apply remove tag. So I click that, you're going to get another wizard which says which tags would you like to apply or remove on link click. So I can pick one or multiple tags to be applied when someone clicks on that link. I can click one, or I can hold down the command key and click multiple. But let's just say I just want one, and just for fun, I'm just going to take the top one here in the list. By the way, I could also remove tags on link click, but it's more common that you are going to add tags. By the way, if I don't have the tag that I want, I could create it here. And I'm going to click Save. Now it says, all right, this is the automation. It's going to apply this tag on link click. Is that okay? Yes, finish and close the window. And now out to the right, you can see it says perform one action when link is clicked. And if I needed to go back and edit that, I could click right here. And I say Insert, Update, and I have a link. Now I can also, if I want, I can put a link on an image. Same way, I click on this image to select it. I say link, and in this case, let's imagine that I was linking to syncsumo.com, and maybe I want to apply a tag or not. Okay, I say yes, and I say finish, and insert, and now this is a clickable linked image. Okay. Now, there's one other thing that I'd like to show you, which is I could, if I was using this, one of these links often, I should have done this while I was there. Actually, let's just open this one. By the way that you edit a link is you click in it and then click on link again, and it'll pull that link up. But sometimes it's really slow to populate this, but it will. Let's just say that this particular blog post was pretty popular and I thought I was going to be putting it in a number of emails. What I probably would want to do is click this other options, come down here and say save this link for later use, and then say campaign builder goals post. And now when I save this email, it's also going to save this link complete with whatever actions go with it, so that I don't have to reconfigure it every time I want to use it. So let me show you how that works. Let's imagine that we are going to put a link, a saved link on Macaroon. I go to link, and I have to know that the saved links are here under other options. I click that, then I have my drop down, and whichever one of those links that I want to use, I say contract demo, for example, and in this case it doesn't have any actions associated with it, but does have this URL that's really long and I didn't want to remember, so I just say insert update, and I've now made that link without having to go hunt down that URL every time I want to use it. So that's links in Email Builder. Should come in pretty handy.